Volatility ahead. Nifty braces for US GDP and PCE data amid global uncertainty. Here are the key catalysts from Wall Street in overnight trade. 1. Wall Street slumps as Dow Jones drops and, most importantly, severely underperforms Nasdaq and S&P 500. 2. The US 10-year Treasury note yield jumps to 4.56%, reaching the highest level in 4 weeks. 3. The King US dollar spikes to 105.10 levels. 4. US investors are paring back bets for interest rate cuts after a surprise jump in US consumer confidence and growing inflation expectations. 5. Also, Minneapolis Federal Reserve President Neel Kashkari suggested that more positive inflation data would be necessary before considering rate reductions this year. 6. Currently, there is a 46% chance of a Fed funds rate cut in September, 59% in November, and 79% in December. Traders will now brace for US GDP to trickle in this evening at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Long story short, it is now all about Friday's US PCE inflation data on to assess evolving price pressures in the economy. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 5842 crores, while DIIs net bought to the tune of Rs 5234 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive overbought technical conditions. Fanome month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 23,000 zone. India VIX is trading firm at 24.17 levels. Nifty PCR 30th May is at 0.65 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 26 June is at 1.01. Nifty outlook, volatility and volatility. Nifty, CMP to 2705. Support, 22,600 to 22,500. Resistance, 22,850 to 22,950. Range, 22,500 to 22,850. Bias, sideways to bearish. Bank Nifty, CMP 48501. Support, 48,200 to 48,000. Resistance, 48,800 to 49,000. Range, 48,000 to 48,800. Bias, sideways to bearish. Strictly speaking, bulls' confidence was somewhat knocked in yesterday's trading session. The negative catalyst, the street fears that a low margin of victory for the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, may stop the government from taking bold reforms. Simply put, anxiety prevailed at Dalal Street as the trading theme was filled with known unknowns and unknown unknowns. Q4 corporate results to trickle in today. Apollo Hospitals, Bharat Dynamics, Godfrey Phillips, Muthoot Finance, Swan Energy. Meanwhile, Tata Steel Q4 net profit fell 64% to 611 crore rupees, missed estimates.